cat parents! Want to up your kitty game? Many cat owners can't live without Dr. Elsie's ultra unscented cat litter. First off, no more sneezes. It's 99.9% dust-free and hypoallergenic, which makes it a favorite for allergy-prone kitties. Secondly, goodbye gross odors. With 100% bentonite clay, you get hard clumps and solid odor control, even after days. Imagine a cleaner, fresher home without the stress of mess and smell. That's what this litter is all about. Grab yours now and see the difference for yourself.